Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to share with you my experience based on Upwork, on how my journey so far in the last 30 days after I've set up my Upwork account. So definitely I try all my best to make sales on Upwork after setting up my profile, my service on the platform, and also I try to write a bio by myself. And of course, I later noticed that there are some things that I need to fix up later on. So I actually tell someone to write my bio for me, which is that copywriting. Okay, so I put in everything perfectly, and I believe that with this kind of profile, definitely I should be able to land my first sale on Upwork. But I want to tell you the fact between Upwork. This is the thing. Upwork is very different from Fiverr. You have to work and send a proposal before you can get a job on Upwork. Likewise, on Fiverr, this is very different. On Fiverr, you can just put or publish your gig on the platform, and then you wait or stay online to make your first sale. But this Upwork is very different. Upwork is very different. I've been sending a proposal, but in the last 2 days, I've got my first response based on my proposal. You can see it here. So the buyer says that my proposal, after 100 proposal that he have sent so far, my own stand out. And then I do a follow-up message with the buyer, and then we discuss. Later on, I just noticed that the buyer did not respond again. I don't know what actually goes wrong. Probably, or maybe the buyer is not available. I don't know, but I'll just chorus because it's quite strange after the buyer messaged me. So the job is all about creating a website. Then he decided maybe we should use Wiz or WordPress. Then I choose WordPress because I have a little bit idea on WordPress. So definitely I'll be able to work with WordPress. So as time goes on, I did not hear from the buyer, and I keep on sending proposal, but yet I did not see any response since then, last 2 days. So now I would like to share my experience and how, if you are new like me to Upwork. So definitely I would like to share some tips, and because I noticed so far, because most of people that are used to send a proposal on Upwork, they used to do copy and paste, and of course that does not explain what buyer actually wants. And yes, I have reached out to many people that are working on Upwork, and they share their tips with me, and of course I believe that those things will definitely work, as I have put in those tips to work last night. So the tips that I got from them so far was like, don't copy and paste a proposal. Just write based on what a buyer wants. This is the thing. Most proposal that you use to copy and paste does not explain what buyer actually wants. Like for instance now, the proposal I sent to the buyer based on WordPress website design. So it's quite different from being a YouTuber or setting up a YouTube channel or optimizing or promoting a YouTube video. So this is very different. Had it been I just do a copy and paste of my YouTube service to this buyer, definitely I will not get that kind of response from the buyer, because it's not that all the proposal that he's seeing on the project he replied to it. If a proposal was not really related to what the buyer actually wants, so definitely the buyer will not reply to that or such a proposal, and the connect will definitely be, because Upwork worked based on connect. And if you set up an account, I think you will have like 60 connects to send a proposal, and once these 60 connects exhausted, so definitely you have to buy or purchase more connects so that you'll be able to send more proposal on the Upwork. And on Fiverr, that's very different. There is an 10 offer every day on Fiverr that you can use to send a proposal too. And once you exhaust that 10 offer daily, then you, on the next day after 24 hours, you'll be able to see another 10 offer in which you can use to send an proposal to a buyer also. So now my tips for beginner, if you are going to try Upwork. So my tip is this: just try and do your best in setting up your profile. So this is very, very important. And also request for feedback. Maybe you have worked with some buyers before and they are on LinkedIn. You can request a feedback from them that they should share their experience with your service through Upwork. I think that will definitely help, because I'm also trying my best to get that one done too. And also try to set up your profile, your bio, your service, and make sure you stand out. You make your profile stand out. That is very, very important. Even though meaning that I've set up everything, yet I'm still waiting for a job to come my way. So, and of course, I used to try to send a proposal, like 2 proposals every day, so that I don't know when I will be able to land my first sale. But of course, I believe that one day I will definitely mix up with the stuff. So that's that. And then everything based on the niche that you are actually doing. Like the job I actually send a proposal for is not really my main service. My main service is YouTube service, either creating a YouTube channel, promoting or optimizing the YouTube videos. So, but I just think that that's what I can actually do. So I think that I should just apply for the job. So that then I got a response. I don't know, maybe later on I will later get the project done by me. I don't know yet, but for now I have not seen a response on that. So it doesn't mean that you should only apply for your service that you can actually do. There are a lot of projects on the platform that you can actually send a proposal for. So like blog posts, I can do blog posts, I can do website design, I can do copywriting, I can do YouTube service, which is my main project, my main service that I dedicated on the platform. But if those jobs also comes my way, definitely I'll do it. So this is my tips for you. And probably maybe you may be thinking, maybe I have made some bugs on the platform which make you click on this video. So I'm very sorry for that, but definitely I'm just sharing my tips and my experience on the platform so far, and I believe this will definitely help you, and also you'll know what you should put in place so that you can be able to land your first sales on the Upwork. So I would like to because lately Upwork introduced creating a gig too, so which I just did that, and I just published a single gig on the platform. I don't know, maybe buyer will be able to see the gig, I don't know yet, but there are lots of people who have already created a gig on the platform, and yet there's a lot of feedback on their gigs. So I just decided to publish one too, and yet I have not seen any response so far. So I just hope I can see a job through that, or through sending a proposal on the platform. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this helped you. Kindly click on the bell icon to turn on the notification button if you have actually subscribed to this channel, and if you have not, kindly subscribe to this channel if you believe that it's actually worth it, and click on the like button if you like the video. But if you don't like the video, you can turn down. So every option is there for you to choose what you desire. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.